How to solve Rubik's Cube. There are many methods to solve a Rubik's Cube, but one of the most popular is the Fridrich method, which consists of the following steps. Solve the white cross. Arrange the white stickers to form a cross on the top face of the cube. Solve the white corners. Place the white corner pieces in their correct positions relative to the cross. Solve the middle layer. Move the middle layer pieces to their correct positions without disturbing the white cross or corners. Solve the yellow cross. Arrange the yellow stickers to form a cross on the top face of the cube. Permute the corners. Place the yellow corner pieces in their correct positions relative to the cross. Orient the corners. Rotate the yellow corner pieces to their correct orientation. Solve the yellow face. Arrange the yellow stickers to form a solid color on the top face of the cube. These steps can be done with algorithms that you memorize, but it takes time and practice to master them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Like it, share it, and please do comment. Thank you.